Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful and compassionate. Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. You are watching my channel AAW Knowledge Consultancy. Before starting the lecture, I would like to discuss few things with you. I've received calls from my friend from UK, abroad, from my students. They have really appreciated me, but given me a few suggestions that be relaxed and easy, take things slowly. Inshallah ta'ala, my dear viewers, you will see I will move along good to better, better to best. Your valuable feedback would always be appreciated. Thank you, dear viewers. For those of you who haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you can get my new video. So, dear viewers, this is our fourth episode, which is related to basic English grammar. Basic English grammar. Today's topic is present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. So, first three episodes you have seen the grammar episodes, and this is the fourth one. My other videos are related to creative or professional or quality writing. So, first step is, what is the first step, my dear viewers? Identification. So, how can you identify a present perfect continuous tense? See, dear viewers, see, at the end of the sentence in Urdu, Hindi, it comes सुबह से कर रहा है, शाम से जा रहे हैं. So something is happening from morning, from some date, in a present tense. So what we have to see that in the end of the sentence we will have सुबह से कर रहा है, शाम से जा रहे हैं, these things. Now, what is next step, my dear viewers? Next step is how to make it. How to make it. As you know that when we make this sentence, we will use has been, we will use has been and have been with the first form of verb. Helping verbs, what would be the helping verbs? Two helping verbs, has been and have been, and with first form of verb adding ing, adding ing, and further we use since and for. Further we use since and for. Now, dear viewers, when we will use since and when we will use for. See, please take out your notebooks, pens and pencils with you. These are the strategy which I am applying on you. I have experienced they are very, very fruitful, and students have improved a lot. In UK and in Pakistan, I have exploited all these strategy. Inshallah ta'ala, you will see fruit is always there. So, note, when time span is given, what do you mean by time span? You know, when we have like 2 hours, 8 months, 50 years, like time span is given in numeric value. Time span is given in numeric value, like 2 months, like 6 days, 150 years, 200 years, we will use for. What we will use? For. Okay? So far, so good. Let's move ahead. How we will use since? Very careful. Now, when the time span is not given, when the time span is not given, if the time span is not given, like, for example, सुबह से, from morning, evening, Thursday, सुबह से, शाम से, जुम्मे से, 1970 से, from 1970 we will use since. We will use since. So far, so good, my dear viewers. So, let's move ahead. Let's talk about the negative sentence. In negative sentence, you all know that we will use has not been, and have not been, with the first form of verb adding ing, with the first form of verb adding ing. So far, so good. Now, in order to make interrogative sentence, we start the sentence either with has or have. Either with has or have. You see, dear viewers, it's simple, it's easy, it's understandable. Just you need to have a very serious and sincere approach. We are learning with fun. Let's do practice this present perfect continuous tense. First is वसीम 2 घंटे से खाना बना रहा है. वसीम 2 घंटे से खाना बना रहा है. Wasim has been cooking food for 2 hours. Wasim has been cooking food for 2 hours. Isn't it? It's easy. वो कल शाम से इम्तिहान की तैयारी कर रहे हैं. वो कल शाम से इम्तिहान की तैयारी कर रहे हैं. They have been preparing for the examination. They have been preparing for the examination since yesterday evening. Since yesterday evening. So far so good. What else next? हम कल से बाजार जाने की तैयारियां कर रहे हैं. हम कल से बाजार जाने की तैयारियां कर रहे हैं. We have been preparing, we have been planning to go to market since yesterday. We have been planning to go to market since yesterday. So far so good, my dear viewers. You are enjoying my lecture, I hope so. Okay, let's talk about some of the negative sentences. So, some of the negative sentences. तुम कल से मैच नहीं देख रहे हो. तुम कल से मैच नहीं देख रहे हो. You have not been watching the match since yesterday. You have not been watching the match since yesterday. Isn't it? So far, so good. Now, वो जुम्मे से सफ़र पर रवाना नहीं हो रहे हैं. वो जुम्मे से सफ़र पर रवाना नहीं हो रहे हैं. They have not been departing on journey since Friday. They have not been departing on journey since Friday. So far so good. शाजिया परसों से कपड़े नहीं सी रही है. शाजिया परसों से कपड़े नहीं सी रही है. शाजिया has not been stitching the clothes since day before yesterday. Shazia has not been stitching the clothes since day before yesterday. Happy? So far so good. My dear viewers, now some interrogative sentences we're going to practice. Okay, first is क्या आप 1970 से इस घर में रह रहे हैं? Have you been living in this home since 1970? Have you been living in this home since 1970? What else now? क्या डॉक्टर साहब 2 घंटे से मरीज का मुआयना कर रहे हैं? क्या डॉक्टर साहब 2 घंटे से मरीज का मुआयना कर रहे हैं? Has the doctor been examining the patient? Has the doctor been examining the patient for 2 hours? For 2 hours. Isn't it? Simple, easy. What else now? So I'm going to ask you as well this time. क्या तालिब इल्म हफ्ते से means Saturday. क्या तालिब इल्म हफ्ते से अपनी असाइनमेंट्स पर काम कर रहे हैं? क्या तालिब इल्म हफ्ते से अपनी असाइनमेंट्स पर काम कर रहे हैं? Yes, please try it. I'm going to see who comes first. Okay, so have you seen? I'm afraid it's a wrong answer. No, it's the right answer. What did I ask you? क्या तालब इल्म हफ्ते से अपनी असाइनमेंट्स पर काम कर रहे हैं? Have the students been working on their assignments since Saturday? Have the students been working on their assignments since Saturday? Happy, dear viewers? So you have seen it's pretty simple and pretty easy to understand. My teaching method is easy and simple. Inshallah ta'ala, you will love it. With the passage of time, you will see that you will improve a lot, inshallah ta'ala. I'm putting every effort on my dear viewers. Please do comment on my videos. Your comments and your feedback will always be appreciated. In the end of the day, I have a humble request that please, those of you who haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you can get my new videos. With lots of love, lots of prayer, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you, health, wealth, happiness, peace and prosperity. Ameen. Remember me in your prayer with lots of thanks, lots of loves, lots of respect. Allah Hafiz.